Oh man, look at that. Holy shit. Kind of cover that up a little bit. But I don't know, I've never messed with dry ice before. I wonder how much this thing weighs. So what it's gonna try and do is get rid of the sound deadening stuff, like this stuff. So we're essentially just gonna crush all the dry ice, spread it over the sound deadening, and just with it being cold enough, it's actually gonna separate it enough from the body, so that way instead of scraping it off and spending hours trying to do it, hopefully the dry ice, you know, will take less than an hour. Hopefully about 30 minutes or so. We'll give it a shot. You've never done this before? Neither have I. You ever built an 8-second Volvo before?
I have not.
Neither have I. we gonna learn.
Get some more.
You thought we did. Alright, we're gonna try brake clean. Oh, oh, oh!
I think that'll work.
Yeah, you want something to scrape it?
What the fucking Bill Nye Science Guy shit is going on over here?
Oh yeah, now it's sizzling, man. Hear them pop rocks. Might have put too much brake clean.
I have no idea the truth.
Sizzling over there, man.
Yeah.
You want a screwdriver?
No, I have a gasket scraper. It's a black hard handle.
So this is for Pro Charger.
Yeah.
What you guys doing to it?
Trying to get the sound deadening out.
Dry ice?
Mm-hmm.
How's this work?
So, like, how it's designed is, you know how the Pro Charger sits, like, assume you're looking at the front of an LS. So the Pro Charger is over here, passenger side. So the belt's on the inside, and then the tensioner for the belt is right here. So you'll put this on one of the support bolts for the Pro Charger, and you pry the tensioner over.
Ah.
This?
Oh.
Like, I don't understand the necessity for the rubbing alcohol.
Oh. I was just spreading the ice. That's what I was doing.
I'm just saying it to say it. So if anyone asks you if I'm saying that, I'm saying it.
I will full on.
We got it on camera. We
Yeah,
got you being a dick on camera, dude. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Sizzling like a motherfucker over here, though.
Yeah, it is. I wonder.
Sounds like pop rocks, though. It just blows up. Like, what the fuck?
Oh. Okay. All right. Video right here. I wonder if like special effects back in the day was used a lot with like the old Godzilla movie. They used dry ice and miniature toys. Look at this turning into weird colors.
Look like somebody beat. Don't eat the yellow snow.
Get our Scarface coming out.
Just stick my face in it, it comes back straight blood.
Alright.
Yeah, that was pretty insane.
Okay. That's just a pool of. So if brake clean pulls all the heat out of something, then you pull brake clean on dry ice. I think we're like a few steps away from making a black hole.
It's like the bubbles are freezing.
Fingers are even cold, even holding it right here. Oh, you're just gonna say fuck it, the whole bag?
I mean, they use like 5 pounds at a time.
Right.
They also had rubbing alcohol. I'm not no scientist, but
brake clean and dry ice taking a while. Washer fluid. Oh, yes? Oh, man.
poor man fixing.
Yeah. Definitely not the best to breathe in. Oh! Alright. Dude, this is Moses. I wonder if that's gonna, I don't know. We really don't know what we're doing. We just saw a few videos and didn't give it a shot.
Sandwich videos.
Yeah. But I mean, it has to be doing something because it looks like the chunks of shit is just coming off of it slowly.
Probably should have put brake plate on.
Pick it with a screwdriver. Now it looks like piss. Alright, this was just a big fail. Nothing really happened. They're just gonna stay in there. Yep. That's bubbling. Yep. More to come later.